Hello, my name is Vitor Antunes. I'm the regional sales manager at Romaco and I'm responsible for several markets. For Romaco, this means we do machines for the pharmaceutical industry from powder up to pellet. So we do all the kind of process, primary packaging, secondary, end-of-line packaging for the pharmaceutical industry mainly. Romaco is a group set up by 5 companies, so we have 7 very interesting brands doing different type of equipment for the pharma industry. We have more than 12,000 equipment installed worldwide, working with 900 people throughout of Europe. We serve the pharma industry mainly for granulation, tableting, tablet coating, and, capsule filling, primary packaging, secondary packaging, end of line, as well as powder and liquid filling, both sterile and non-sterile. My presentation today was about what can Romaco do for the customer to get more sustainable. So this means what can we as a machine manufacturer propose to the customer to lower the CO2 emission during the purchase and during the production of their products. Actually, this was by incident. So I had the first contact with my personal manager here from PHARMAP, and at that occasion, the setup sounds interesting. We have participated already 3 years ago, I think, in Berlin, or 2 years, I don't remember. And the feedback was quite positive, so we decided just to participate. So that's the reason. From our perspective as machine supplier, we are offering solutions where we see the biggest impact on getting more sustainable on the focus of energy consumption. So if we look on the process part of the pharmaceutical production, it means granulation and tablet coating, we have a huge need of hot air, so we need to invest a lot of energy to heat up the air, and this air is then simply only used once. So we try to offer energy recovery systems, to implement energy recovery systems to avoid this, and this way to lower the CO2 emission by the systems. On the other side, we also implement measures in the design of the machines, which are from the beginning already minimizing the CO2 footprint. For example, use of recycled plexi instead of new plexi, which has a tremendous impact on the CO2 balance, basically 70% less. So this kind of things, the same doing with aluminum from certified sources. So there are a lot of steps that we as a machine provider can supply for to the customers to get their process at the end more CO2 friendly. About personal manager, about Daria, yes, no, she was very informative since the beginning when she approached us to participate on this event to talk about sustainability for machinery. She gave excellent support and was also very pushy, because we in the day-by-day business we sometimes forget things. So I think she did a very good job organizing and pushing us so that we are here and could at the end participate on this event.